Hello, good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to use direct link or smart link in Adsterra and make money from the social media space. And if you are new to my channel, please do to subscribe because my channel is all about making money, making smart money. So, and that is what we are talking in this video. How do we make smart money and quick and easy? Although whatever I'm going to teach in this video is not a quick get rich scheme, because you need to put some effort, some work in it to achieve this goal. That's a little bit of disclaimer. So, but for now, I will dive in to show you guys how you are going to be making this money by using your social media account. Number one, website is not a barrier, phone is not a barrier, and laptop is not a barrier. And why did I say so? A lot of you will say, I don't have a website. How do I make money with Adsterra? That is a big red cancel here because we don't need websites. Some of you say, I have a smartphone, I don't have a laptop. How will I be able to do this? Another big red cancel there. We don't need a laptop to achieve this goal. With a mobile phone, even a phone you buy for just a 10,000 naira, a $10 phone can actually do this for you. So that's what we're going to be doing in this video. So that will be using my laptop to illustrate this, but if you're using your phone, just go along with the same thing, apply with any type of phone you're using. No any complicated issue on it. So let's dive in as I show you guys. What I'm going to show you guys right now, let me go to my Adsterra. This is the Adsterra I created for the tutorial purpose. Most have been using this for tutorial on this platform. I just tried something. You can see here I have 6 impression, click 0, CTR 0, CPM 0.3, revenue 0.002. That shows what this 6 impression is able to give me and why. Because we are using a smart link. When people view it, you're going to be earning from it. So I tested this for this tutorial purpose, and know why a lot of you are unable to do direct linking, smart linking is because whenever you post on social media, the account or that particular link got flagged and you couldn't get traffic. But this video is not that case, because whatever you're going to post on social media is going to go through without no flag. So let's dive in as I show you guys step by step what to do and what shouldn't do to achieve this result. So now, when you have an Adsterra account already, for those of you that have, those of you that don't have, just go ahead and come down. Okay, come down here and then click on sign up and then click as a publisher. Don't go to as an advertiser. As a publisher, that is what you need to create an account for, because you want to be making revenue from this particular platform, not you spending in this platform, right? So just make sure you create an account by clicking this. So when you create your account, you're going to see an interface that is going to look like this. Although the dashboard is going to look like this. Let me show you the dashboard. I'm having a network challenge. Okay, I'm having a network challenge. So no matter how it's going to be slow, you just need to bear with me, but I have to do this video for you guys. Alright, the interface is going to look like this. Okay, so when you come, it's going to look like this, a bunch of articles. Then come to the sidebar, then you're going to see it like this. Then move and head and start with whatever we are talking about or whatever is this topic. So we are going to use this smart link. Okay, smart link is what we're going to use. In my previous video, I showed you how to use the website. So if you have not watched that video, please, you will see it at the up at the card section. Go and watch that video, how to use the website. Even the way you don't have a website, how to create a website for 100% free and start using it. Okay, it's there, and that will also give you higher revenue. So please watch that video as well. So now you need to come and do add smart link. That is what we're doing today. Click add smart link, and also you can choose whether adult content or whatever you want to use, but I recommend coming to the second one and then turn the add whatever, turn it on. I don't want to over mention it for my channel sake, so just go ahead and turn the add whatever, the adult whatever. turn it on, then click add. It's going to take 1 to 2 minutes, and then it's going to show activated. So it's going to show this activated, and when this shows activated, shows that it's already active. So now what we need to do is to copy the link. So we are going to click copy link. So when we copy this link now, we have a lot of URL shortener that we need to use. And in my next video, I'm going to list the best ones in my next video. I won't be mentioning their names here, but I'll just go to show you guys, or I won't even be telling you what the best. You're just going to see the ones we're going to be using. There are a lot out there, but that's the ones you are not supposed to use and the ones you're supposed to use. I know a lot of you right now will jump into start using Bitly, but no, we're not using Bitly in this. But if what we're trying to do doesn't work, then we can jump into the Bitly. But I have a lot of them, which are the best one here, open and ready for you. So now what we're going to use short.io. Short.io is one of the best as well. Or let's say we can use trim URL, and also it's also good, so you can go ahead and then choose. So you can use short.io or trim.url, but for this video, for the quick sake, so I'm going to use the trim.u on trimurl.com. so there will be the link in the video description. Just go ahead and smash the link, dive in. I'm not an affiliate to this platform, so I'm just showing you for a tutorial sake. Okay, so you use the link, you don't use the link, I have nothing to gain or to lose, but as my students, I just want you to use the best. So I'm going to come here and paste our link here. Okay, you can see here we have a bunch of URL here, and this URL that you have here, see the way it's long, you see, this is our smart link. So this URL will never be accepted with Facebook, and that is why people are getting it wrong. So now we're going to choose the domain. So we're going to use the domain here. So what we're going to use here, at the end, you can type whatever you like. So my own, I'm just going to say, let's say news. So let me just put news at the front. So just click on it. URL block. Let's add another S at the front. Okay, the URL is blocked. They did not accept this URL, so it's blacklisted. So because it's blacklisted, we cannot shorten this on this Dao platform. So let's go to our next one. So let's go here, paste it, and wait for it to be generated. So here we have generated it. You see, that's why I say I have a lot that you need to calm down. Just keep this video to learn, because the majority of you will jump into URL and end of the day it doesn't work. So here, this is we're going to put in on the slugs. On the slug section, we're going to put that is me. I'm putting news. So you can put whatever you like. I can decide to choose any icon here to customize. Okay, I can decide to choose any icon here. So this, let me just choose. Already save it. To activate the domain, we need to verify your phone number. Okay, so they need to verify my phone number to activate a domain, because I just created this account for this tutorial sake. So you can just go ahead and then activate the domain. So boss, you can see the URL is already shortened here, so you can just copy it and then go to any of your browser and look. You're going to see the URL like this. So in this case, let me just go to another of my browser and then go to new window, then paste it. Let's see if it's working. Okay, you see, website owner need to activate the domain. So they insist that we need to activate our domain. So a quick one there, what we just need to do is to input our phone number and activate the domain. So let me do that fast. Click on the activate session. I'm going to pause this video. I'll come back after I activate my domain. All right, my account has been successfully activated. So let me go to the dashboard now. Okay, I'm good. Okay, let me see my domain. So I've successfully activated it. Okay, so you can see it's recording one click, because we tried clicking it, which did not work, right? So this is our link. You can add another domain here. You can come to another domain here by adding another one. So you can say free subdomain, which is what we're using. And this free subdomain, you only have access to use 3. Is it 3 or 4 also? So now, the next thing I can decide to do is I start to add another subdomain like this. So create a subdomain that you like, and then those subdomain are going to create is what you're going to be using. So and most times some will not be available and some is going to be available. So I'm going to just something like this. Hopefully this should be available. Okay, that particular subdomain is available and I have claimed that subdomain to be my subdomain that I can use to create a link whenever I want to create a link. So I can choose another one if I like, and create another subdomain to make it 3. So now I'm going to go to my domains. So alright guys, I'm back after verifying my phone number. So now let me guide you guys through everything again, because now we have verified our phone number. The previous link may be giving you issue to load, but now that you have verified your phone number, what you need to do again is to come to the all domain section here. When you click all the domain section here, you can go ahead to create a new domain or no link. Okay, you can go ahead to create a new link. So that is what you can easily do. Or you come to the browse link, come to the link status, whatever. You can click and select the domain. Make sure you select the new domain you created, because after you have added the phone number, you need to create a domain name for the verification purpose. Okay, so we create that new domain name. You can see here this domain name is carrying the name I put dot the shortening whatever. So you need to down click on it, or let's come to the link here. Let's create a new. Let me just show you guys. So make sure it's click. Okay, make sure it's the domain name like this. Make sure it's the one. What you're seeing here is what is reflecting here. Then come down to the up section here and then paste your new link. Okay, example like this. Paste your new link here. No, I'm not creating, I'm just showing example. So just paste the link there and then create, put in the title. See, I'm just trying to show example, but unfortunately I've already created it as a link, so I have to delete it. So delete it. So just I've shortened the link. They copy this link now. Okay, you copy it. Now we are going to Facebook. That's where we are going to drive our traffic from Facebook. Okay, now what I would recommend is that when you're creating a link, try to create the link that will match with what you want to post, or a link that matches with one popular news platform or whatever. That will help you a lot. Now let's go to Facebook, because we want to achieve our goal with Facebook. Now come to Facebook like this. This particular my Facebook here, you are going to be seeing that I have this post. This is from a story, but I really want this. Why? Because something like this will drive people attention, or a lot of people want to watch, or they want to see the video. Okay, so let me screenshot this now. Okay, screenshot it like this. Now I'm going to use this screenshot, so I can go ahead and oh my god, I didn't know that the video was so paused since, and I was just talking. And oh my god, let's go back. Shut. All right guys, I'm sorry, I didn't know that the video was paused and I was just so talking, but it is what it is. So after I have paused the video and I'm back by also verifying my phone number. So I've verified my phone number. So now let me guide you what to do after you have verified your phone number successfully. So what you need to do is to come down to this bad link here. So you're going to click here on it, and then you're going to see it's a link for, links for domain. So you can see it's a current domain. Here you already create a domain. You're going to see the domain and the first domain you have. So what I would recommend you to do is, after you have done that verification, you come back, you create a new domain, as in add a title like the name you want it to carry as a subdomain. Then you come down here and select it and make sure that that domain is what is visible here, and then go to your smart link and copy your smart link like this, and then bring it to this up here and paste it in, and then put any title you want to show as the front, and that is all you have created. So after you have done this, now we need to go to Facebook. Okay, Facebook is where we want to drive traffic from, guys. We want to drive traffic, massive traffic from Facebook. Okay, and how do we do that? We need to write a topic. We just need one word, 5 or 2 words that will drag people attention. Okay, that is what we need. 2 to 5 words that will drag people attention. Now, for example, I didn't know the video was paused, so this is just an example of what I wanted you guys to do. Okay, so I've already taken the screenshot and done all this, but I didn't know that the video was pausing all this one that I was doing all this. So now you come to your Facebook, go to your post section, your profile post. First of all, add your image that you want to use first before adding the link. Now I want to add this image. I click on it, but I don't want this image to just be only one. I want people to want to see. So you need to have different versions of this image. I just have only one. That's why you are seeing me adding, repeating the same thing. So you just add different version of that image. Okay, so I can, okay, let me just add something else like this. So you can see I just add something else to make it 3. So now you want to copy that link that you have already shortened. Come down here, your smart link that you already create here, copy it. You want to first of all write in that 2 or 3 words that you want to post, that want to tell people. You want to tell people, say, oh, this thing is happening now in Abuja, this thing is happening now in Lagos, this thing is happening now in whatever state you are coming from. Just imagine whatever that will drive people attention. If you don't know how to do that, ask ChatGPT. ChatGPT will do the best work for you. So just paste it first, then you click enter, then you paste your link. Make sure that that thing is first, then your link second. Okay, and don't make just, I want this to just be 2 lines. 1 line for whatever you want to write, the second line for your link, and that will help you a lot. Now since I've done that, I just need to click post. Okay, now I've clicked post and my article is live. You can see it here, posted just now. What is going to happen is that people are going to imagine, where is this fire, what is happening, what would they do? Because you can see here saying Nigeria News. Nigeria News is showing on my link, and they're going to click on it expecting to visit Nigeria News. Now let me show you an example. When they click on it like this, now they want to visit Nigeria News, it's going to redirect them. Do you understand? It's going to redirect them. Just hold on, you're going to see. You can see it's going to redirect them to our smart link where we're going to make money. So it's going to redirect them to our making money machine. So if I go back and forth, you guys are going to see that we have 1 click from Facebook with our tracking. So that is the reason why I say they're going to be making money by this. A lot of people, when they put their link on Facebook, Facebook doesn't accept the link because that link is not proper short. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope to see you in my next video. Although I know this video is not proper organized because I've done a mistake, and you know when a mistake is being done, it's been done. So but my next video, I'll be conscious of that. Thank you so much. I appreciate. Peace and love.